Hello everyone, today we're going to be unboxing the HQST solar panel. It's the 100 watts version. I bought this mainly because of my EcoFlow power station. I want to charge it while off grid. So the panel features a pouch to store your cables, and inside it you'll get your user's guide. Here's your 4-in-1 cable with 8mm DC. Here's your XT60. It comes with DC 5521 and Anderson connection. For my EcoFlow, I'm going to be using the XT60 connector. Here's the connectors from the back of your panel. One labeled positive and one negative. Here's the solar panel expanded. For the item dimension, it is 70 inches length and 55.98 width. It's rated IP65 for water resistance. It weighs 7.7 pounds. It has a built-in USB port. There's 2 USB-A, 1 USB-C, and 1 DC port. I hooked this up to my EcoFlow power station around 5 p.m. Sun was starting to dip, but still clear skies. Plug in using the XT60 connector, and the input was 35 watts. And the hours until it gets full is 9.4 hours. So that's totally expected for late afternoon. What I like about this is the cable variety makes it super easy to connect to most power stations. There's 3 built-in stands at the back to help the panel angle to the sun. The stand features a hole to secure your panel with tent stakes, and it is weather resistant and folds up nicely. Overall, for my first impression, I love that it is easy to use, easy to store and fold. You can charge your device directly behind the panel, and it's not that heavy to carry when you go camping. I will do another follow-up review about the solar panel and test it again during peak sunlight. If you want to check this solar panel, I'll leave a link in the description. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next one.